Boeing ground, Cirrus 681 Mike Bravo at midfield hangars with Zulu. Taxi for Lincoln departure.
The Cirrus calling from midfield. Say the call sign one more time.
681 Mike Bravo is at midfield hangars.
681 Mike Bravo, Boeing ground rear 14 right at Bravo 4, taxi via Bravo, select full length device.
Can I request the full length runway?
Bravo, runway 14 right, Bravo 1, taxi via Bravo.
14 right, Bravo 1, taxi via Bravo. 601 Mike Bravo.
Boeing ground system 94661 at Galvin with Zulu taxi for Mercer departure 94661.
So 94661 Boeing ground room 14 left taxi via Alpha.
Runway 14 left taxi via Alpha 94661.
Got exited the 418 Alpha 7 for signature.
418 Boeing ground taxi, signature via Alpha.
Signature via Alpha, exit 418.
Wait for the coast, doors handle pin removed, seatbelt secure, AC as desired. Full tank, full, fuel cell tank, full tank boost, Mr. Reeves, 50%, responder 1200, pilots. Over.
This is 9466 on Boeing Tower, wind 1403, runway 14 left, clear for takeoff, master departure approved. Helicopter 0 Lima Foxtrot, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles opposite direction, following the shoreline to helicopter 600. Helicopter 25 Romeo Hotel, traffic 12 o'clock and 2.5 miles opposite direction of the helicopter 800. They should be landing harbor view.
5 Romeo Hotel's looking.
Right, so Peter here, good, lights are, the controls, flight controls are free, Oga.
5 Romeo Hotel, pre-school helicopter traffic 11 moving to 10 o'clock, 1 mile 600.
Boeing Tower, 5 Romeo Hotel, be crossing the center line here shortly.
5 Romeo Hotel, roger, and that pre-school helicopter traffic is no factor for you.
Yes, sir. 5 Romeo Hotel.
Boeing Tower, Cirrus 681 Mike Bravo, holding short 14 right at Bravo 1, Lincoln departure.
681 Mike Bravo, Boeing Tower, wind 1104, runway 15 Bravo 1, clear for takeoff, Lincoln departure is approved.
Clear to take off, 14 right at Bravo 1, Lincoln departure approved. 601 Mike Bravo.
Cessna 804, traffic off your right about a half mile, appears northbound, type unknown 700, possibly helicopter. 804, roger, they should have passed off your right actually, should be no factor for your frequency change, approved, safe flight.
Boeing Tower, helicopter 9019 Delta Juliet, south of south there, port spot 8, about front right, we'll do them.
How long can I answer this again?
Helicopter 9019 Delta Juliet, south of south there, port spot 8, about front right, we'll do them.
What's up?
Helicopter 919 Delta Juliet, Boeing Tower, DeWam, correction, bus runner will approved, the Boeing altimeter 3022.
Bus runner approved, 9 Delta Juliet.
For 5 Romeo Hotel traffic, just upwind off the big runway is going to be a right turn out, Bravo 6, Bravo taxiway, clear to land.
We're looking for that traffic, Bravo 6 to land, 5 Romeo Hotel, via Bravo.
600.
Here's 1 Mike Bravo. As you complete the turn to the downwind, you may see traffic just ahead to your right there. They'll be making a slight left turn to overfly the Bravo taxiway, a helicopter.
Looking for traffic, 1 Mike Bravo.
Here's 1 Mike Bravo, that helicopter traffic's going to be no faster for you. And in the future, if you could, on a Lincoln departure, when you complete that downwind turn, stay within the river on the east side until that bridge.
Roger, 1 Mike Bravo.
There's 1 Mike Bravo, traffic 3, friction, 10 o'clock and 2 miles north to westbound, Cessna 2600.
Looking for traffic, 1 Mike Bravo.
Tower 9 Delta Juliet at the bus barn.
Over 9 Delta Juliet, wind 1304, spot 8, cleared land.
Flight clear land, 9 Delta Juliet.
Cessna 94661, before you go, traffic 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 2 miles northbound, type unknown, 1900.
One Mike Bravo, have traffic inside.
This is 1 Mike Bravo, thanks, and there's another traffic observed, frequent change approved.
Traffic 10 o'clock, high less than 1.
Good afternoon, Boeing Tower, citation 2480 Echo on the visual, 14 right for leading edge.
2480 Echo, Boeing Tower, wind 1304, runway 14 right, clear to land, long landing is approved for leading edge.
Clear to land, 14 right, long landing is approved, thanks, 80 Echo.
That's a 661, and that previous call traffic 12 to 11 o'clock now, 2 miles. They're fast, so you shouldn't see them. They're at 2000. Frequent change approved.
Traffic 5 o'clock, high less than 1 mile.
1958 Mike, Boeing Towers, Stadium Morale approved. 2, Boeing altimeter 3022. Altimeter 58 Mike 302 to 22.
Traffic, 4 o'clock, high, less than 1 mile.
Citation 80, welcome back. Left at Alpha 10, ground point enter.
Alpha 10.9, thanks. Take care.
Two 681 Mike Bravo, if you're still on frequency, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles southbound, Bonanza 2000.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, safe,
Looking for
altitude,
traffic, 1
2 miles.
Station 1 Golf Bravo, Boeing Tower, Roger, waiting half hour release. Station 1 Golf Bravo, wind 1303, wind calm, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff. Up in 1958 Mike, wind calm, landing Apache will be at your own risk. Station 1 Golf Bravo, contact Hill, departure, safe flight.
Departure, Golf Bravo, good day.
Helicopter 852 Kilo Papa Boeing Tower, departure from Pad 2 will be remote. Direct westbound is approved, wind 160 at 4.
Boeing Tower, hello, 876 Uniform Charlie's inbound the ILS, 14 right.
Citation 876 Uniform Charlie Boeing Tower, hello, the wind 150 at 5, runway 14 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14 right, 876 Uniform Charlie.
Field information, November now, current wind 150 at 4, altimeter 3022.
Tower, citation 67 Bravo Delta with you for the visual of 14 right.
Citation 67 Bravo Delta Boeing Tower, good afternoon, number 2, following citation 3.5 mile final, wind 160 at 5, running 14 right, clear to land.
Okay, number 2, clear to land, 14 right, 7 Bravo Delta. Wind 200 at 5. Helicopter 825 Kilo Papa, just use caution if you continue in your footing heading southwestbound, you'll cut the corner of the tax delta, advise a flight turn more westbound. Okay, thanks. And there is other traffic observed. Frequent change approved. Have a safe flight.
for aircraft 1,400 northwest of Alca. You on frequency, Boeing Tower?
Boeing Tower, affirmative, 82 with the Yankee headed toward Lake Union.
82 with the Yankee Boeing Tower, roger. There is traffic approaching Pier 91, descending on the ILS 2000, correction, on a visual approach 2002 into the Challenger 35, caution turbulence. Let me know if you have them in sight.
2 with the Yankee, traffic in sight.
Thank you. Station 6 Uniform Charlie, left at Alpha Niner, ground point Niner.
Zulu. Wind 290 at 4 knots. Visibility
90 Boeing Tower, wind 280.
Sky
left downwind departure
clear.
approved. Runway 14 left. Clear for takeoff.
Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point -1 Celsius. Altimeter 3021 inches of mercury.